Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a Bath & Body Works perfume that I recently bought and I immediately fell in love with. This one is called Dream Bright. Personally, I usually use perfumes with sweet scents like vanilla. I don't like the strong scent, so this perfume is perfect for me. This is like the combination of soft and sweet. It smells like fruits, flowers, and vanilla, and I really love that. It is one of my go-to perfumes that I wear on a daily basis. The bottle is so pretty, and it's very easy to put in your purse if you're traveling. Another thing that I love is that I apply the perfume in the morning and I smell good all day long. So if you want sweet scent like vanilla, flowers, fruits, I really recommend this Bath & Body Works perfume called Dream Bright. It's beautiful, it smells amazing, and I love it. And that's my point of view.